Hey everyone, how you doing today? This is Scott with CW Direct Camping World in Elkhart, Indiana. Today I'm going to do a little walk around on a campsite reserve destination model. Model number is 20JW. It comes in just a little bit over 35 feet. So without further ado, let's do. 30 pound propane tanks. It has an outside shower, on-demand hot water, enclosed underbelly. There's a gas connection for a grill, little place here to leash up Fido. Really nice little party deck on the back. Tons of windows, as you can see. Solid step entry. Up above the deck, there's marine grade speakers, cable connection, 120 outlets, and a light. More windows everywhere. Furnace exhaust, all the water connections, cable hookup, satellite hookup, conveniently in one location. This is a 50 amp service. Here's your termination point for your holding tank. Keep walking down. This is actually 35 feet 8 inches, but who's counting? All right, let's check out the inside. Grab rails here, sliding glass door. Soon as you walk in, on the left is a little dinette with a couple chairs, huge TV, control panel, USB, 120 outlet. You have stairs here going up to a loft, and there is an air conditioning duct up there. There's a speaker, air conditioner, ceiling fan. You have a sofa here that will convert into a trifold bed, 110 outlet, thermostats, solid surface countertop, restaurant style glass washer, retractable faucet head. This side is a shower. That side is more of a stream. Cutting board, drying rack, undermount stainless, 3-burner. Stovetop, you have an oven and some storage. Residential size microwave. Across from that, more storage. Combination washer dryer, dishwasher, ice maker, huge fridge, and then freezer down below. Up here you have a wine rack or some type of beverage rack. More storage. The converter with an auto detect if you want to switch to lithium batteries. It's ready for that. In here, shower with a seat for shaving legs. A vent through the side. sorry I didn't bring lights. Restroom facility. Storage back here. Then you come into the master bedroom and you can see it's a huge bed, king bed. Storage on both sides like that. Wall sconce, reading lights there and there. 120 USB, 120 over there. Place to connect a TV here. All right, let's go back out. And as you can see around here, storage, 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 storage. Storage, 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 storage. Storage, storage. And then you can go up these stairs to the other loft. And as you can see, there's a nice little fireplace up there with 6 cabinet doors for storage. There's a little ottoman here. You could bring that downstairs. It collapses also. There's outlet and USB up there. And way over there on that side, there's outlet with, looks like, USB as well. There's a good look at the other bunk. So you're going to get at least 3 or 4 people up here. That sofa, you're going to get another 2 people. That about does it for the inside. 120 outlet. I think I've covered everything. Let's step back outside. Close this slider. You notice how reflective the glass is. That's awesome for keeping out sunlight and heat. All right, there you go. That is the Campsite Reserve 20JW. If you have any questions about this unit or others, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks a lot. Please tap subscribe, and I hope to see you here. Take care. Bye.